If you've never tried chicken wings like this, then you are missing out. Not technically a fakeaway, these Indian spiced hot wings are a thing of beauty. Imagine the flavours of tandoori chicken along with a sticky glaze and you are in wing heaven. Let's start by marinating our chicken wings in the ingredients shown in the recipe. Don't worry, it's over on my website along with a method on how to make these in your air fryer. Once coated, place onto a crisp plate within your air fryer drawer, spray with oil and cook at 200 degrees for 16 minutes, shaking halfway through. Now for the sweet and sticky glaze. Heat a pan, then pour in some sweet chilli sauce, some soy for saltiness, then toss through the chicken wings, making sure they are fully coated. This recipe has a perfect balance of flavours, so I like to finish mine with a generous handful of chopped coriander and a good squeeze of lime juice. Trust me, these are incredible. Get your wings into a bowl, then scatter over as much fresh chilli as you possibly dare. Don't forget you can find all of the recipes over on my new website, so go and check it out. The link is in my bio. Make sure to like and subscribe for more easy recipes that you can cook at home. These wings were absolutely banging.